It's a pleasure to have you all here, and it just looks fantastic, all the projects that I could see.
It is a special occasion because in many ways this is the most demanding and challenging test that our students are challenged by in the course of their studies.
This project fair is brilliant because it gives all the students a great opportunity to demonstrate what they've worked on all year. I mean, we're final year students now, and we're going to go out there into the open world, and most of us are going to be looking for jobs. So obviously with industries coming in to view our projects, we have a chance to get our CV out there, our name out there. We can demonstrate what we can do and show a product for them to see.
Events like this, it really does help students connect to industry, and especially Software Alliance Wales, because I personally got to be involved with an industrial project and a local firm, which has boosted my employment chances.
We're looking for database analysts to provide the summary data that will go into our reports. We're looking for visualization specialists who are going to be able to present it, and we're looking for web developers.
Visitors coming to the fair today, they're going to see what's on offer from Swansea University in the third year. So this is the pinnacle of their 3-year university programme. So they're going to see the best what everybody can do, and they've got such a massive variety here.
Last year from the project fair we recruited Mardis, a female graduate of Swansea University, and has been working for us now for 12 months and is doing really well. My wife saw her project here. We were quite impressed. We advertised, she applied. Because we'd already seen what she could do at the computer fair, she was sort of halfway there as far as recruitment was concerned.
I think this project fair is a good opportunity for students to meet industry, as people from industry are able to come and view their projects that they've been carrying out for their final year.
I did a data visualization project utilising tag clouds to map car warranty failure parts and failure rates on a map visualization tool, and I did this by working with a local company, and basically it's given me a massive boost to my abilities. My scope for improvement has increased. I've experienced so many industrial related experiences. It's been really good for me.
We worked alongside Software Alliance Wales to take on a student to develop a visualization tool that we were interested in. Dan Pulley has developed word clouds for us that we can associate with dealerships for the Canadian region.
After university, the firm that I got to work with my project, they have actually offered me a place to work with them after university because I've done so well with their project work.
I've been able to view some applications specifically towards mobile devices, which are brilliant. And this is where the sort of ideas come from the future, is people thinking out of the box, developing products that at the moment there might not be a market. The reason there's not a market is because nobody knows they're available. And they sort of generate their own market when people realise. And that's why we've seen an explosion in apps available online for all sorts of devices. And it's something that all networks, all handset retailers are looking at, are developing multiple applications that can be easily downloadable.
My project is an iPhone application called Audacious. It's basically a virtual audio environment which allows users to record audio. When users record audio, it stores their longitude, latitude and direction, which is then stored to an external database for which every user who uses the application can then download these sounds. If a user downloads these sounds and then they visit these places where the sound was originally recorded and they face the same direction, they can then hear these sounds, effectively painting a three-dimensional audio soundscape.
So my project, which I've been working on for about 9 months now, has been really successful. It's visualizing brain activity data, which is gathered by the psychology department. So because it's been so successful, I think it will be strongly used and very popular with the psychologists in the future.
You can definitely learn from industry. It's a huge relevant data set. The information that you're displaying has to be concise and make sense to the user.
Universities can benefit from companies like ourselves at O2 Uplands, where we actually have companies asking us to specifically provide services. They're always looking for bespoke systems, always looking for bespoke applications to actually satisfy their business needs. And it's when you've got creative people, like the people here, who can actually develop those and, again, think outside the box and come up with a good solution.
Because of the project fair, the industry has had an opportunity to see my project. They've shown great interest and they've taken my CV and they've given me business cards. And hopefully in the near future I'll hear of them.